Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all well. Today I'm gonna show you how to attach these flowers to a hairpin. On my there's two more videos that are on my page how I made this leaves and how I made this beautiful flower, and there's a separate videos of the actual leaf and the flower by itself. There's two more videos of these, and today I'm gonna show you how to attach on a hairpin. Okay, I'm gonna show you. First things first, we get this, and then it's like a florist, florist. You know, you attach to each other, like, you know, like creating a design or something like that. Then you attach this, oops. So like this, make sure they all separated, and from here we put like this, and then two sides goes right to the left, one side to the right, one side to the left. So we attach these two. Now you need to hold it really tight like this. Okay, hold it from the bottom, then put your hands like this, tight as you can, then twist, twist, twist. Okay, voila. So once you put on a hairpin, you can, you know, just open these parts a bit more, like this. So that's beautiful, isn't it? I love them. They're so pretty. Look at that. Yeah. So I'm going to attach this to pin. Make sure these are all straight, because we don't want any lumps when we are putting on the pin. We want straight like this, you know. We don't want any lumps or anything like that, right? So I'm going to get one, put it like this, then go around, then go around again, you know. It's a bit difficult when you do one wire. It's all right, but if you do a couple of wires trying to twist, it just goes everywhere. Like, there you go. There you go. Okay. Just need to do tighter. Do it again. it looks hard from the you know, when you do it first time, and then you get used to it like everything else, you know. Oh, I also find the name of this. I'm gonna show it to you. I'm not gonna read it out. Maybe I can try, but Angelica Sylvestns. That's the name of this flower. I inspired from that flower, Angelica Sylvestns. So this is the name of that flower. Yesterday I was looking for it, and then I was like, oh my God, I need to know the name, you know. I created something and I don't know the name. That's a bit odd, isn't it? Okay, it's getting there. Remember to visit my Etsy shop. I've got more of these beautiful hairpins, hair accessories, especially for weddings. So I cut it. Then twist it. Okay. So I'll do this side as well. So you just need to put these in the lines. Okay, it's difficult. You just twist it around, basically. And one more. That's it. Now I can cut this part. Then squash those pointy parts. Now what we're gonna do is we make sure this bit tight. Okay. Now you can, because it's okay, it's all done. Voilà. What do you think? Do you like it? Leave a comment, or you want me to show you something else, or you can hit the like button as well, please. And if you have questions, please leave a comment and I will get back to you. That's it. Let me crack on with this one. You have a nice day. Please do subscribe me. I will record more videos of my work. Don't forget to visit my Etsy shop, the little things, the little things on my Etsy shop. Well, I will see you on next video. Bye.